Welcome to February 14th LeetCode Challenge. Add binary. Given two binary strings, A and B, return their sum as a binary string. So we're given 1, 1, and 1. We want to add them together, which would be 1, 0, 0. So the catch of this is that they're strings, and then we want to perform binary operations on the string. And then the addition example B here, we have 1, 0, 1, 0. And 1, 0, 1, 1, and then therefore we add them together, it becomes 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. So it moves over a decimal place. It moves over a placeholder. So it's an easy question, meaning that binary numbers is pretty simple, except this is, we have to convert from a string to a binary number, then add them. Or just make some kind of rule for it. So the constraints are that the length of A and B is between 1 to 10 to the 4. A and B consists of only 0 and 1 characters. And each character does not contain leading zeros except for the 0 itself. So we could do this kind of naively using big integer class in java.math, but let's do this manually because that's probably what it's asking for. So it'll be a good learning experience. So say we're going to rebuild basically the string that is going to be added together. So string builder, let's call string builder class SB, new string builder. Alright, next thing I do is develop initialize an integer I, which is going to be the length of A. And then minus 1. And we're also going to define an integer j, which is going to be the length of b, minus 1 as well. B minus 1. And then we're going to develop, initialize an integer called carry, which is going to be the carry of the bit, which is what I mentioned earlier. The carries over. So we're going to loop through while I should say, greater equals 0, or j is greater equal to 0. We are going to add them together. So we're going to develop and create a variable called sum, and that's going to be initialized to the carry amount. And then if I is greater than or equal to 0, then what we want to do is increment sum by the character at A, so A.char at I minus 1, or I decremented by 1. And then we also want to have a 0 character as well. Alright, do the same thing. If j greater or equal to 0, sum will be incremented by the character at b, j minus minus, with minus character 0 as well. Alright, this seems good so far. So we basically make our character and our carry of our sum. So this means that we have a carryover. Next thing we want to do is basically append to our string builder, and we're going to append our sum. However, we want to take the modulus of 2, because we want to either add a 0 or a 1, depending on what we're adding together. So the carry will be the sum divided by 2 if there's a remainder. Right? And we exit the while loop. If carry is not equal to 0, then we also, that means that there is a, like this condition here, in this example here, if carry is not 0, that means that there's a carry at the very left index of the first character. And then what we want to do is append the carry. Carry. So notice how append only adds to basically the right side. So what we could do is after we exit this, return string builder dot reverse. So we're gonna reverse the string builder, which is a class. Then we also call toString as well. And this should give us our answer. So this is the manual approach. Basically adding character by character. Accepted. Time complexity is big O of M, max of M(n), or M and N, or I should say are the size of A, length of A and B respectively. And space complexity is also the maximum of M or N, which is the size of the length of A or B respectively. Memory is pretty good. This is pretty straightforward. So is memory complexity as well. And yeah, that's it. This could be done so much more easily with Python. Let's just, for fun, let's just do that. Oh, it's a one-liner. Okay, never mind. Alright, that's it. Have a great day, guys.